Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for an English language proficiency test, then you are in the right place. Today we will be discussing the factors that you need to consider when choosing a test. Factor 1. Selecting the right test. There are many different kinds of tests. There's IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, Cambridge exam and so many more. Each test has its own scoring system, has its own focus and format. Check with your target university and see which tests they are accepting and prepare accordingly. Factor number 2, the format. Now that you've chosen your test, let's talk about the format. Are you comfortable with multiple choice questions, essays, speaking, writing, or a mix of them all? Take practice tests and choose accordingly. Factor number 3, preparation time. Allocate your time wisely by focusing on the areas where you need improvement. Consistent practice over time will get you better results than last minute cracking. Factor number 4, study resources. Make sure you're using credible sources and practice materials when preparing. If you want to enroll for an English language class, make sure you enroll with a certified trainer who can customize their teaching methods according to your learning style and needs. Factor number 5, take mock tests. Mock tests simulate actual testing environment. Incorporating them in your study routine will help you get accustomed to the pressure. They will also tell you the areas that you need to work on so you can fine-tune your strategy and prepare accordingly. Factor number 6, register early. To secure your spot, register early because popular test dates fill up quickly. Don't forget to research test centers near you and their available dates. Choose a date that aligns with your preparation timeline. And that's all for our video. All the very best for your English test. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.